Hello everyone, I'm Joyce, the co-founder of BD Mobile. We develop a real-time cardiovascular tracking device for measuring blood pressure, blood sugar, and other information about your arteries. If you can track all that information anytime, anywhere, you can prevent heart disease early on. 25% of global mortality rate is due to cardiovascular disease. That means one of every four deaths is related to cardiovascular problems. So every 27 minutes, someone dies due to heart disease. Now, the main way to detect cardiovascular disease is using a CT scan. But there are three problems with that. First of all, there's a long waiting time, usually a day. It's also quite expensive, more than $200 per scan. And most importantly, there is a risk of radiation staying in your body about 1 year after the scan. Our heart prediction technology enables the real-time monitoring and management of cardiovascular disease. Here is our solution. It's an AI system for disease prediction. Through a handheld device, it measures heart disease-related information. The data is then synchronized with our server, and then the system analyzes the data. If you are in an emergency, we can link you to a hospital automatically. In Japan, there are many elderly people who live alone, so this function is useful for them. Our product passed ISO verification, and we have finished the first phase of clinical trials with about 100 data points. Our data quality is the same as devices in the hospital. Our member came from well-known companies in the industry. As a group, we have more than 10 years of experiences in medical algorithms, signals processing, and AI system development according to medical regulations and verification. Our main technology is based on research from MIT. One of our consultants is a Harvard medical director, and another is the Chief Information Officer of Cambridge Healthcare. In terms of competition, our advantages are that, first, we can collect multiple data points relating to heart disease. The equipment used in the hospital is just for specific data collection. Second, our technology works wirelessly. Third, it's non-invasive. Last, the disease analysis and prevention is all done on our platform in the cloud. We can generate medical data even when people are moving around, and our device can collect accurate data. Now, look at the overall market potential. The total healthcare market is worth about $36 billion a year. Japan and Europe account for about 10% of the total market. By targeting a 5% share of the European and Japanese markets, that's worth about $180 million a year. Here's how we make money. First, we provide our total solutions to wearable devices companies. Second, we can also provide our total solutions to medical devices companies that work with hospitals. From phase 1 and 2, we already collect many physiological data, and so we can provide all the data to QNAP. QNAP has its own private cloud platform and can authorize data to banks, pharmaceutical companies, and insurance companies. Please come chat with us and have a quick check of your cardiovascular information. We're BD Mobile and we provide cardiovascular tracking technology. Thank you.